Hello guys, today I will be playing Mario Kart. I'm Koopa Troopa and I'm doing the Lucky Cat Cup. So I guess let's start. I'm not really used to doing longer videos, like longer than shorts, but I might just do a couple Mario Kart ones every now and then. I also don't like smart steering or auto acceleration for some reason, just because I like to take shortcuts sometimes. Okay, so enough yapping, let's start. Oh, hi Yoshi. I'm also not the best Mario Kart player, but I'm not like that bad. I'm also really biased towards like Yoshi and Toad because they're so cute. And now Rusha. Oh gosh. Wendy. The sound effects are so funny. Drifting in Tokyo. Honestly, my favorite kinds of tracks are either the Rainbow Road or the city ones. Oh yay, go Yoshi and Toad. Oh. I don't have a mushroom, but it's worth it. Well, that did not work out. That also didn't work out. Oh my gosh. feel so bad, but sorry, kid. One more left. Okay. Wow. Not today. Wow. And a blue shell is coming. On to the next one. I love the music in this one. Oops. Bananas actually, oh, wow. Bananas actually aren't that useless in my opinion because they can block a lot of stuff from hitting you. Wow. I love how we're just casually riding on a road above clouds, on clouds. And I fell again. Oh, come on, not now, blue shell. Oh, so close. Sorry. This is not Baby Daisy's race. Sorry if the TV screen is too small from this angle. This is definitely one of my top 5 favorites, especially because of the music. You just have to time this just right, but it barely ever works. You could just slow down and wait for it to go like that, but then you also don't have enough momentum to go. I don't know how I got it back there. Yeah. Oof. Oof. I love how the music gets like that weird, spooky, scratchy when you get hit by lightning. That was a failure. Oh boy. Okay. I know I'm not about to lose my perfect win streak. Actually, probably will. Okay. I love the music right at this part. Okay. Just gets so much faster in the last lap. Yeah, no, he's like right behind me. Cannot fall off here. Oh, how did I not get that drift? Oh no, blue shell. I better hit Toad. Wait, which one is it gonna hit? Oh, that was like the craziest finish ever. Well, I guess I hit Toad and I barely survived. Wow. Yippee. Poor baby Daisy. Okay. Bye, everyone.